Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. So today I'm doing a collaboration with an artist in the USA, and what we're going to do is a really fun piece to celebrate Left-Handed People Day. So the 13th of August celebrates 10% roughly of the population who are all left-handed. So they kind of battle and are part of a very, very right-handed world. So we're going to embrace that, and myself and Giavanna from Giavanna Designs are both right-handed, so this is going to be a challenge for both of us. We're only going to use our left hands just to recognise this special day, the 13th of August. So the idea is we're both going to use the same colour palette. We're both going to do a Dutch pour, and we're both going to just use our left hands. Neither of us have practiced using just our left hands, so it's safe to say we're probably going to create quite a bit of mess, but this is going to be really fun. So I linked up with Giavanna a few weeks ago, and we discussed what we wanted to do, and we thought this special day is the perfect day to celebrate Left-Hander Day. So the colour palette that we're going to use is a black, white, blue, red, gold and purple colour palette. And we're going to do a split base. So I think I'm going to do a black and white base, and I'm going to layer those colours on the top and blow it out. The challenge for me is using my blow dryer, just using my left hand. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I might have to bleep some words out because I just know it's going to, it's going to be a challenge for me because I'm a right-hander. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's see what we can create. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my colours. So I'm going to use the black and white for the base, and then I'm going to use the other four colours to blow over the top. So I've got the purple, the gold, the red and the blue. The blue is one of my favourite tones, that's Prussian blue. I'm using brands from System 3 Acrylic, Winsor Newton and Amsterdam, but I will link all of those in the description below. Today I'm using a deep edge canvas. It's 16 by 16 inches. Loxley Gold canvases, gallery wrapped. I love this brand, and this is my go-to brand at the moment. So let's go for it. Okay, so before I start, I said that I'm only going to use my left hand because it's Left-Handers Day, and I don't want to cheat by using my right hand. So I'm going to tape up my right hand, because when the camera is pointing towards the canvas, I don't want you guys thinking I'm going to cheat. So I'm going to wrap my hand in tape just to prove to you I'm taking this seriously. Giavanna, I'm taking this really seriously. I'm not going to use my right hand at all. Oh my God, what are we doing? What have we let ourselves in for? Are we ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just painting my sides, the black sides. It's really difficult actually, because I'm not using my right hand. It's taped up. Look, I'm really shaking. I'm really shaking. Okay, so I'm just going to paint these sides. Okay. Okay. Right. So I'm going to lay the black this side. God. Okay. Right, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to blow this black out first. Oh, there we go. Look, there's me trying to turn my blower on using the wrong side. Whoa! Okay, that probably took me longer, twice as long as I normally spend on just blowing out the base. Okay, so that's the black done. I'm going to put the white this side. Again, just using my left hand. It's a lot more, do you know what, it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, Giavanna, I hope you're sticking to your left hand. Okay, so I'm going to blow out the white side now. Okay, so I'm pleased to say I've got my wire all in my black paint. I'm causing a bit of mess, but hey, this is all what it's about. It's fun. Okay, so I've got some air bubbles on here, so I'm just going to use the torch to blow out the air bubbles. I didn't burn myself. Everything's okay. I can use the torch with my left hand. So there we go. We've learned something today. So, okay, so I'm going to start layering the colours on top. So we're going for the blue, the gold, the purple and the red. So I'm going to just layer them, traditional Dutch pour just along the middle. I'm going to flood the colours with the white and the black, and then I'm just going to blow it out. So let's go for, I'm going to use the Prussian blue first. Okay. And then I'm just going to see what happens. I love this colour. I'm going to use plenty of the blue. Maybe a bit more in the middle there. Okay. And then I think I'm going to go for the gold. Ooh. Guys, you know what? To control the flow when you're using a hand that you're not used to using is a challenge, believe me. In fact, why don't you do this as well? I'd love to hear from you. If you're gonna do this challenge as well, that'd be great. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how you get on. Use the but you know what? Left-handers out there, 10% of that population. If you're gonna try this, I expect you to tape up your left hand and use your right hand. Okay, so that's the deal. Okay, right. So let's go for the red. And then the purple. I love that blue, so I'm going to put a little bit more blue over the top. Okay, so I'm going to flood a little bit more black. So I've got some paint to blow out. And then some more of the white. Oh, I hope this works. Okay, so just going to torch the air bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to blow the colours over the middle and then blow out. Wish me luck, because this is the point I think that it might just splatter everywhere. So, wow, do you know what? There's some really, really lovely cells forming in some of these areas. I'm sure that's a bubble. I need to just get rid of that bubble. Okay. Ready? So I think I'm going to start... Right, I don't want to get my wire in the paint, so I think I'm going to start... Now, got the wire in the paint. I'm going to start this end, blow out, and then see what happens. I can't turn it off. Ah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm liking this. I'd love to know what you think. I'd love to know what you think. I've got some amazing lacing. I'm just going to use the torch. Okay, I'm going to take you in for a closer look. Okay, here we go. This is my view. All done with my left hand. Guys, are you proud? I am. I really am. I love the colour combination. I'm happy I did a split base because I think with the white and the black on the base, that just helps those colours pop through. So I'm just going to take you in for a closer look. Some of those cells and lacing are gorgeous, even if I do say so myself. This was a challenge for me, and I was covered in paint at the end. I had my wire from my blow dryer in the paint. I didn't realise. I went to blow out some of the paint, and yeah, I got covered. But hey, I love it. I love painting. I absolutely love this medium. I hope you do too. So I have learned that being a lefty isn't easy, especially when you're not used to it. But I had a lot of fun. If you guys try this challenge yourselves, please tag me and Giavanna into your post, because we'd love to see if you've managed to do the challenge and to do the creation yourself. So I'll show you the dried version. Okay guys, so here is the dried and varnished version. What do you think? I think it's great. Do some close-ups just so you can see some of the cells and some of the lacing, and how some of those colours have kind of intertwined with each other. I really like it. There we go. Giavanna, it's been great. It's been so much fun doing this collaboration with you. I hope you like this piece, and I hope everybody else likes it too. See you soon. Bye.